Welcome to the Curious Technoid. In this session, we will look at Modulicious, the Perl's web development framework. Modulicious is a full-fledged Perl web development framework developed by the authors of Catalyst framework. Being a Perl fan myself, I recently came across Modulicious, started exploring more and found it to be very interesting. The next couple of videos will be about Modulicious and what I've learned so far. I hope it will help anybody who wants to get started with Modulicious. I will not cover this topic in depth. It is just to give you an idea as to how this framework actually works. Modulicious is a very powerful web development tool with tons of features which will enable you to build any web applications. In today's session, we'll cover how to install Modulicious, build a Hello World page using the Light app, test it and deploy it in the server. Okay, let's begin. For the purpose of this demo, I have built a server in DigitalOcean. It's a brand new server. We'll be doing all the steps in that server today. Firstly, let's go ahead and install Modulicious. Modulicious can be installed in two ways. For the official method, we will head over to modulicious.org. If you scroll down, you will find this one-liner which will basically install Modulicious in less than 1 minute. The other way is you can install Modulicious as if you are installing any Perl module. If you already have basic knowledge of Perl, you already know how to install a module in Perl. Today we will install Modulicious using the official method. We will just copy this, fire up the terminal and connect to the newly built server. SSH, root, and the DigitalOcean server IP. I will use my private key. We are connected. Now go ahead and paste what you copied from the Modulicious website. Hit enter. Modulicious will install in less than a minute. Let me warn you, if you install Modulicious like installing any other Perl module, it's going to take a lot of time. This method is faster and efficient. We have successfully installed Modulicious in this server. Now let's build a Hello World page using the Light app. Modulicious comes with two kinds of app. One is called the Light app, which uses Modulicious : Light Perl module. This is usually used to build mini projects. We also have the full app version, which we will look at in the subsequent sessions. In this session, we will create Hello World page using the Light app. You build a Light app in Modulicious using the command mojo generate light_app. Let's call it Hello Mojo. Once you run this command, you can see that a file called Hello Mojo is created. If you open the Hello Mojo file, you can notice that it's basically a Perl script which uses Modulicious to render your pages. This is a sample web page built by Modulicious. You can start building your projects on top of this. Anything below the data section is treated as layouts and templates by Modulicious. We will look at layouts and templates in future sessions. For the purpose of this training, let's go ahead and change the window title of the web page. Let's call it Hello World using Modulicious. We will change the content, save and exit. There you have it. You just created your Hello World page using Modulicious. Now that we have the Hello World page built, let's go ahead and test it. Modulicious comes with multiple web servers that you can run your web apps with. Morbo is the development web server. Whenever you're building your app, you use Morbo to test if it's working fine. Let's get back to the terminal. Let me list the files. We have the Hello Mojo file. I will just run Morbo followed by Hello Mojo. Hit enter. If your page do not have any issues, Morbo will tell you the URL where your web application is available. By default, Morbo runs on port 300 and it usually runs on the foreground. Let me open one more session to the server. Now we have two sessions for the same server. From the other session, I will say curl, copy this. You can see all the debug messages are displayed on the screen. And you can see the page has been rendered. Well, nobody uses the terminal to access a web page. Let's try to access the Hello World page from a browser. First, let's get the IP of the server. Let's open a browser. Now let's do HTTP port 3000. Be aware that we have not opened the firewall ports, so obviously this will not work. Why? Because the port 300 is not open by default. Now one way is to open the firewall and allow port 300, or you can always use SSH tunneling. If you have not watched my video about SSH tunneling, I'll add the link to it on the screen. Please go ahead and check it. It's very useful in scenarios like this. Now since the ports are not open, I'll just start an SSH tunnel between my local PC and the web server. Let's get back to the terminal. Let me exit from here. I will type SSH -n -l saying local port forwarding. Port number is 3000 to the local host in the server. Server port is 3000 again. Then I will say root followed by this IP. Then I'll give my private key. Hit enter. Since it did not throw any error, we have established a tunnel. Let's go back to the browser and refresh. Oh, I need to give localhost IP address. There you have it. We have hello world welcome.mojolicious running. Let me move the screen to the right a little bit. We can see the debug message as and when we refresh the page. There you have it. We just tested our web application using a development web server called Morbo and made sure that the web page is fine. Now that we are happy with our mini project called Hello World, let's go ahead and deploy it so that it runs forever. There are multiple ways to deploy it in production environment. We will use Hypnotoad to do it. Hypnotoad is a production grade web server and it is very popular among the Mojolicious community. So let's get back to terminal. Let's kill the Morbo session. So now if I refresh my page, obviously it's down. Instead of using Morbo, I just use Hypnotoad. Then I say hello Mojo. Hypnotoad runs in the background. Similar to Morbo, it will tell you in which port it is available. Hypnotoad by default runs on 8080. Let's open up the other local terminal. Kill this SSH tunnel. Now let's open up a tunnel for port 8080. Let's get the browser back. There you have it. Your Hello World page is up and running in production and it is ready to take on the world. That's it for today. In the subsequent session, we will look at Mojolicious full app. We will try to build a test project which will take care of session managements, layouts and templates, and database connections. If you want the commands used in this video, please head over to my blog. I'll put the link to my blog in the description below. Stay tuned for more on Mojolicious. Until next time, see you.